I'm telling you guys, it's worth the watch because it's just so much better. Like, I don't know if I will ever go back to wearing the lace. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simone. So today in this video, I'm actually gonna do the viral, well, it is viral, it's been around forever, but right now it's really trending, and it's the viral wig behind a hairline tutorial. Now, I'm trying this because you guys know I'm back and forth with wigs. I like to wear it sometimes, and then I hate it sometimes, and I love it again. And so I'm at that phase where I'm like, I wanna enjoy it, but comfortably. I really don't want to put the lace up to my skin. The goal is to make it look natural and feel natural and all the above. So today I want to show you guys how to put it behind your hairline. So let's get this video started. Hey, all right guys, have you noticed anything different? I've actually changed the way I did my braiding pattern. I've been doing it straight down and then to the back because I feel like if we keep doing our braids, doing like straight backs, we're gonna all have receding hairlines. So this way I feel like it's much more healthier and like less tension on the actual hairline. And also I can pull out a braid when I do want to do the whole wig behind the hairline thing. Woo, that was a mouthful. This is the wig that I got from Hair Vivi. I love to always show you guys how it looks, give you guys a full view on everything so that you guys can know what to expect when you order your own wig. So even though I've been doing wigs for years, it can look so intimidating because when I took this wig out the box and put it on my head, while it looks amazing and the hairline is amazing, for a newbie, I wouldn't know where to go with this because it's so much volume. It was giving like old man with like a lot of hair. So I had to take my time with this one and really just work with this wig in sections. Again, this wig, the hairline is chef's kiss. It's immaculate. The one thing about Hair Vivi is I think every wig is worth every dollar. Every time I wear a Hair Vivi wig, I get the most compliments. So they never seem to fail when it comes to, look at that hairline. Look at that hairline. That looks, they really perfected their craft. I started off by just cutting off the lace. Let's start there. And then as you see, I am combing out some of my hair and we're just gonna figure this out little by little. So what I realized is you need to have the least amount of lace in the front of the wig. That is going to be the entire game changer, but don't cut off too much of the lace because if you ever want to repurpose this wig and wear it again, but bring it up to your scalp this time, I mean up to your forehead this time, you won't have much of you won't have much lace, and therefore, you know, you'll only be stuck wearing it behind the hairline. So keep that in mind. Okay, so we're all straightened. Now, one of the main tips that I have for you guys is to perfect the wig first, okay? So we have the hairline. We kind of have a little bit of an idea of where we're going. There's a lot of volume here, and I'm not a fan of volume outside of it being by the middle part. So I'm going to go ahead and just flatten out the roots so it can give me a little bit more of an idea of how the wig is going to look once I finished with the entire style. And then another tip is to hot comb or put heat in the direction of where you want your hair to fall. So I want it to fall towards my face so that therefore when I do like flip the bangs back, it does like as you can see here, it looks like, you know, more effortless, natural, and just falls the way I want it to fall. Okay, so let's go ahead and flatten out the other side. I added pins to secure my wig. Now, even though there is a headband and other ways to enforce my wig to stay on my head, I wanted to add pins just for extra security since, again, we are sliding it behind the hairline. And I put about 3. Yeah, I put one in the back of my head and I put one on each side of my ears. And then I have my edge control. And first, I'm gonna oil my edges. let's try to keep the moisture there. And then I'm gonna add in my edge control. This is my favorite one. It does not turn white. Well, it does like after like 4 days, but I mean, but by then you should either have washed your edges out or you should have at least reapplied. Okay, so let's release the edges. Now, I actually started to feel really good about where this video was going. So I was like, okay, we have a good little canvas. We could work with this. Absolutely love the way my edges looked once it was tied down. And then you can see this whole next series, well, next 2 minutes, is me just trying to figure out how to curl the hair to match the curl that they already put in. So I think what's gonna make this wig stand out or look really good is how you curl it. So you can see I'm trying to flip it, then I'm like, wait, let me curl it under, then I'm like, let me straighten the hair and then start from scratch. The good thing is, because Hair Vivi already came with the wig curled I didn't really have to curl the bottom of the wig at all. Actually, I didn't touch it at all, but the bangs I had to perfect. So that's what I'm doing. Eventually, I do get to a point where I am in love with it. You'll see in a couple more seconds where I'm kind of like, oh my God, I think I figured it out. And then from there, you could just keep on building and building and building. This was too curly for me. And I was like, yeah, I don't think I like that. So I had to try to straighten it a bit. But if you like it this way, if that's your jam, then go ahead and keep it this way. But the blend was blending better. You see how the edges blend with the part a bit more. Now the part is a bit yellow, yes, because it's kind of made to match your skin, your forehead. But because we moved it back, it stands out a bit more. So if you do have a concealer that is a neutral base, okay, not yellow undertone or red, neutral, that would actually go really well for this scalp, but still looks really good. So yeah, just keep watching. Look how happy I get here. I'm so happy. I'm like, yay. That's the best feeling, when you feel like you're about to give up on your wig and then you're like, oh shit, this actually looks really good. So I do have the shark. So I wanted to try the shark for a more blowed out look. But honestly, I was really happy with my hair right here. I could have stopped here, but I wanted to see how else it would look with the blow dry. I was just very curious. But yeah, I think it came out really good, and I'm gonna keep on just playing around with it. So there's several different curling options for you. The tutorial. I hope you guys actually enjoyed it. I tried to break it down as much as possible. Keep in mind, as I was doing the video, I was also learning as well, because I haven't done this in a long time. So I was like, oh my God, please let it come out great. It takes time, it takes effort, it takes energy. Take your time, step back, take a deep breath. It takes time, guys. And take your hair in parts. So if you saw, I kind of straightened it first and then went ahead and pinned it down. Now I think in the future I might actually sew it down, and I actually might make it even flatter. But I go to the gym a lot and I need to have my scalp breathe, so I didn't want to sew it down. But that is always an option for you guys to do as well. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. This hair is from Hair Vivi. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Bye guys.